Welcome back to Adeline Garage, guys. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and switch out the battery. So yes, like I said, we're going to go ahead and work on switching over the battery, converting it over to the Odyssey using the Grimmspeed kit. This is one of those mods I wasn't really sure if I wanted to do, but I was able to get it cheap enough, so I figured why not. Let's give it a shot. I ended up buying the Grimmspeed kit, battery, and terminals all separately, and it ended up being a little bit cheaper. This is, like I said, the Odyssey PC680. So we're going to go ahead and put on the terminals and then go ahead and look at how to install this. I'm not going to go ahead and do this as a how-to, really just a overall install and everything. I mean, unless everyone's interested in an actual install video of this, there's already other videos, like, very well done, I think, by Grimmspeed, but let's get this done. Check it out. Here it is, all done. The battery does move around a little bit. I mean, it's not too much, not too crazy, but I mean, it's a little bit, so it might be worthwhile to put like a extra padding like was on top here on the back. But yeah, all that extra room now for activities. So all in all, that's actually pretty straightforward, simple install. About 15 minutes, I'm pretty sure you could do it in if you really tried. So now I think all we need to do is go ahead and start it up, see if it starts. Might have to put it on a jumper, but let's go ahead. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, go ahead and give us a subscribe. It really helps. We finally hit 2,000 subscribers, so that's awesome. Go ahead and like the video and comment down below. Let us know if you're going to be doing this mod or not. We also have the merch line. You can go ahead and check out. This is actually an older design. We have a newer, cooler design, as well as all the products in here have been linked down below as well. So thanks again, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.